Hey everyone! If you're just getting started with crypto, today I'm going to show you how to use the Binance app on your mobile phone. Whether you're buying, selling, or just checking prices, this guide is for you. Let's get right into it. First, download the Binance app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it and tap Register. Enter your email and password. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for better security. Don't forget to complete your KYC verification. It's quick and unlocks all features. Now you're inside the app. Let's do a quick tour. At the bottom, you'll see Wallet. This shows your balances. Markets, browse prices and charts. Trade, where all the buying-selling happens. Futures, for advanced traders. More, access features like Savings, Launchpad, or Binance Academy. To deposit crypto, tap Wallet, Deposit. Choose a coin like BTC or USDT. You'll get a QR code and a wallet address. Copy that and paste it wherever you're sending crypto from. For fiat, go to Wallet, Deposit, Fiat, and follow the on-screen payment options like bank transfer or credit card. To buy crypto directly, go to the home screen and tap Buy with Card. Select the crypto you want, like USDT, and enter the amount. Add your card details and hit Confirm. Or you can use P2P to buy from other users with bank transfer or mobile wallets. Want to trade crypto? Tap on Trade Spot. Pick a trading pair like BTC USDT. Use market order to buy instantly or limit order if you want to set a specific price. Enter the amount, review, and hit Buy or Sell. To withdraw, go back to Wallet, Withdraw. Choose the crypto, paste the recipient address, select the network like BEP20 or ERC20, and enter the amount. Tip: always double-check the network and address to avoid losing funds. Keep your account safe. Enable 2FA whitelist withdrawal addresses. Set up anti-phishing codes under security. Regularly check device management and remove any unrecognized devices. P2P lets you buy or sell crypto directly with others. No fees. Just go to Trade, P2P, choose a merchant with good ratings, and follow the steps. Binance holds the funds in escrow until the transaction is done. That's a wrap on using the Binance mobile app. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.